Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to become more efficient in Smartsheet and never miss an important update again, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing some super useful tips and tricks for highlighting changes inside Smartsheet so that by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot edits immediately and also set up powerful formatting to track updates over time. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about Smartsheet's built-in highlight changes feature. This is a real lifesaver if you want to catch at a glance what's just been modified. To use it, simply head up to the View menu and select Highlight Changes. Now here, where it gets really handy, you can tailor what you see by choosing who made the updates. Maybe you only want to see your own changes, or maybe you want visibility on the whole team's edits. You can also pick your time frame, set it to since your last login if you want a super fresh look, or maybe the last 7 or 30 days if you've been away for a bit. Once you set those preferences, Smartsheet automatically highlights all updated cells with a bold yellow color. This makes it incredibly easy to scan your sheet and immediately spot changes. Think of it like turning on a blacklight in a detective show, and suddenly all those hidden fingerprints pop into view. This highlight is temporary though, which is perfect for those quick review sessions. You'll get a clear, focused look at what's changed without permanently altering your sheet's appearance. When you turn off the feature, the highlights disappear and you're back to your usual view. But what if you need something a bit more persistent? Maybe you're managing a project where ongoing tracking of updates is crucial. That's where Smartsheet's conditional formatting comes in. Head over to the Format menu and select Conditional Formatting, then click Add New Rule. Here you can create a special set of rules that make certain cells or rows stand out permanently or until the rule conditions change. For example, you might set a rule to highlight any row where the modified date equals today. This means every time someone touches a row, you'll see it light up for that day. It's like having a spotlight shine on every recent tweak. Or expand that to catch updates from the last 7 days if you're monitoring ongoing activity. Conditional formatting is fantastic for tracking not just momentary changes, but for giving ongoing visibility. Think of it as a security camera for your Smartsheet. It's always watching and marking what's been happening over time. Here's a pro tip to really dial in your productivity. Combine both these methods. When you're reviewing recent work, use highlight changes for that instant, up-to-the-minute snapshot. That's your fresh lens. Then set up conditional formatting rules for longer-term visibility, so you're always aware of what's been modified, even if it happened a few days ago. Using both together means you never miss a beat, whether you're jumping in for daily check-ins or tracking trends across weeks. If you haven't tried these features yet, I encourage you to give them a go. Don't worry if it takes a moment to set up your first rule. Once you've done it, you'll wonder how you ever managed your updates before. Alright, that wraps up today's Smartsheet tutorial. If you found these highlighting tips helpful, be sure to give this video a like. Got any questions or want to share your own Smartsheet tricks? Drop a comment below. I love hearing how you make these tools work for you. And if you want more tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.